Good day everyone, we are Group 8 and we created our persona named Angelo. Angelo is an ambitious student. He wants to be a business owner but because of his very limited financial capacity, is having a hard time achieving his dream. Our system aims to address the challenges faced by ambitious individuals from lower socioeconomic backgrounds. We recognize that financial constraints can significantly hinder the pursuit of entrepreneurial aspirations. Empower You is a technological solution specifically designed to bridge this gap. This e-learning platform offers free business education and seminars empowering individuals like Angelo, a 22-year-old student with limited resources, to gain the knowledge and support needed to achieve their business ownership dreams.
So for the next part, we have the first prototype, which is the login or sign up form. In the left side, this is the login form. Saan po natin makikita? Pwede pong mag-register as user pag wala pa pong account. Then, if the user has an already Gmail account, Facebook account, or he or she can use the number of his mobile phone to use that account. Then for the next one on the right side, this is the register form, which you can see that we have the EULA or the end user authentication for user. WhatsApp if they're for the information privacy. Then here the first name, last name, email, birthday, password. The next part. So if the user has an already has the account already, this is the main dashboard for user. As you can see, we have the in the left side upper left the user's profile picture and his or her name. Then in the upper box we use different kind of features like the calendars and the subjects, which is we have the drop down if the user wants to know all the modules, he or she can click the drop-down button. In the discussions, ito po sa natin makikita yung buong discussion about sa different kind of subjects inside the e-learning. Then in the My Activity, this is the progress bar or the um, progress of the user's modules na natapos na. Then on the right side, if the user po na click po yung settings, the four features we have here is profile, subjects, and calendar, and also logout.
So the next is the course syllabus and the module dashboard. As you can see, the course syllabus is where you can see all the topics per course or per module. So dugtong-dugtong siya per lesson. So makita ni user lahat ng topic and dun siya pwede magbasa. So dun sa maliit na picture is di niya makikita yung lesson. So for example, yan is lesson 2. So marami tayong lesson up to 8. So diyan niya i-click kung anong lesson yung gusto niyang reviewin or aralin. Next. So next is the built-in notepad and the module list. So nag-integrate kami ng built-in notepad para si user makapag-take siya ng sarili niyang notes. Depende sa kung ano gusto niyang i-highlight dun sa module na binasa niya, and also yung notepad na to is downloadable para mababasa or mare-review niya to kahit hindi siya naka-visit dun sa website. So the next is yung module list. So ito, as you can see, may 10 different modules. So uh, dyan niya i-click or kung anong type of module yung gusto niyang reviewin. Kasi ang gusto namin is you learn at your own pace. So iba-ibang module. So may freedom si user na aralin kung anong topic lang yung gusto niyang aralin.
So one of the features of our system it is has a calendar view. So the calendar view is for you to receive a notification if there's a seminar available for you. And the full details of the seminars are also included here. And of course, in the last part, we have a user profile view or dashboard where you can see your basic information. But don't worry, if there's a typo error that occurred during registration, you can edit your typo errors by clicking the edit button on the top left.